Hi guys! There is no such as bad people. We're all just people who sometimes do bad things. Perhaps that's the best sentence that accurately describes every character in this novel. It ends with us by Colin Hoover. This book was first time published in 2016 by Simon and Scratch UK Fiction with a total 373 pages. As usual, Colin Hoover really enjoys addressing social issues in each of her works. In this time in the book It Ends With Us, Colin Hoover exploring social issues of toxic relationships and domestic violence. Colin Hoover started the story with Lily, who accidentally met Riley on the roof of the apartment on the day of her father's funeral. They complement each other with revealing honesty, from first love, career, ambition, and life goals. Even though their brief meeting had to interrupted due to Riley having to perform an operation as a surgeon, they clearly show an interest to each other. And then, to fulfill her life goals, Lily moved to Boston and opened a flower shop there. Unexpectedly, Lily and Riley met again. After 6 months from their first meeting, Riley is the big brother of Lily's employee. After their meeting, they always spend time together, and as time went by, the seeds of love emerged between of them. One day, they decided to have dinner at a famous new restaurant called Bibbs. However, no one ever thought that night would be the night or the meeting between Lily's and her first love, Atlas. Riley's emotion burned up when he saw the incident, especially when he remembered everything Lily said at that night on the rooftop. You know, Riley for the first time committed violence against Lily because Lily dared to laugh at his burned hand when he took a cake out of an oven without gloves. For him, as a surgeon, his hands are more important. Unexpectedly, Riley's sorry words melt Lily's heart, and she accepted Riley's invitation or proposal to get married. Their first married life were full with happiness, but Riley's went aggressive after he knows the special relationship between Lily and her ex in the past through Lily's diary. From there, Riley started to do violence over Lily's, and the hardest part of his violence is he punched Lily's head until her head bled. Now, Lily's understands what her mother felt in the past. They are unable to fight back because their love to her husband so much. In desperation, Lily asked her ex to help to take her to the hospital. How shocked she was when she found out that she was pregnant. Therefore, Lily decided to divorce for the sake of her child's future. She doesn't want her child to experience the same childhood as her. Even so, she still allows her child to meet his father several times a week. So, I think that's all for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.